Hi friends, my name is Maya and today my video will be about makeup. First time in my life I'm doing video about makeup. I'm invited to the birthday. This birthday is a matrix style birthday and I would like to show you a simple way to apply makeup. It will take me not more than 10 minutes, maybe 12. I will show you my main tricks. It's very different than any other people do, so I hope you will enjoy it. Okay, so my first thing, I'm not going to apply any foundation on my face, anything like that. I just will start with doing my eyes. I'm going to use a tape. I know you're probably like, what? But yes, I'm going to use a tape. So you can see from both of my eyes, I have tape. So I have this eyeshadow. I just will go all over my eye area. Just a little bit. And then, see, I will take the darkest one, which is black. Okay, black. Okay, so I'm going right here, close my eye, blend it right here. Okay, so look at my eyes. I did the same from both sides. Don't worry that these edges do not look the same, it's fine. So our next step after you even out your eyes will be, I have here a Q-tip. And with this Q-tip, we want to go up under eyebrow and remove exactly what we don't need on top. Remove as much as you think like you don't need. It's still not perfect, don't worry about it. We will make it perfect, okay. And now we want to make these areas a little bit darker than it is. So I will take a little bit more of black and just will put it right here in these areas exactly where your tape is. Okay guys, now it's a time to remove our tape and then we will be working without. So look, I will put first one. Okay, yay, not bad. And then second one. Oops, not bad, right? Okay, now let's take our Q-tip and remove whatever you think you don't need it. Like I feel like I have too much here, so I'm going to clean it a little bit and clean this one and I will show you how it looks. I am back and that's what I have, and it took me really less than a minute just to clean up what I don't like. I feel like it looks good for now. So what we're doing next, this brush I will change and I have the same brush, just clean. Okay, so now I'm going to take these ones here and I will go on the edge right here. I'll take this away. And now it starts to look so much better. Let me just work on this eye and that eye and I will show you final result. Okay, I'm excited. Okay, so that's how my eyes look. I feel it's a little bit not the same, but now I take again this eyeshadow. And I just want to show you how it looks. Okay, look at my eyes. And I think it's pretty blended, right? Okay, now I will take some very light pink, these ones, very light pink, and I will apply them right here. Okay, right here. You will need one more time these eyeshadows, and this time this will be your color. And this one, take a little bit. And now go on top only in this area. So I am started to play with that and I end up putting a little bit darker under my eye, which you all can do it or you can choose the best option for you. And now it's a time to apply some mascara. So I'm going to apply it on my lashes. Just like that, and I'm going to put couple of fake lashes in here, in this area, to have this beautiful cat look, smoky eyes look. Try to glue it on that eye. I think I did so good with my lashes, you can see some already. Now foundation time, finally, but again, before I apply foundation, I will take a cotton and I will put just a little bit of moisturizer. I will use my Advanced Perfecting Cream. And I will just put a little bit on the cotton. And you see that? So that's all on our skin. So every time when you put foundation and then you put eyeshadows, it's penetrating into your foundations and you have to remove it, do it again, like white or here. That's what I do. And now I'm going to apply. It's from Kosas and it's will be happy to try. Oh yeah, and you probably look at me and say, wow, why she applies her foundation with a hand. I don't know, guys, I'm so sorry, but that's just me. Kiwi hyaluronic acid, and I applied it on my skin before, so my skin is very dehydrated and foundation can blend really good. Okay, now I will use a powder. It's Laura Mercier, you can see here. This is my special brush, and I just will apply a little powder on my face, under the eyes, on my nose. So my face is kind of like more triangle face, you know, so for that, and it's also asymmetrical, so this part kind of like different than that. I don't know if you can see it, but I can. So this one, I'm doing it a little more darker than that, and also I will put it in this area and in that area. A little bit right here. Okay. I blend it all, and as you can see, it looks beautiful. So this is a highlighter that I use, and I just put it on my finger. First area that I highlight is these areas in this part of my face. Okay. I'm back and I will be using this beautiful lip glow from Beauty Counter. Thank you to my friend Veronica from Chef V. It's her gift and I absolutely love it. And I just will apply a little bit on my lips. I absolutely love permanent tattoo. I have permanent tattoo on my lips and on my eyebrows. So I'm not doing anything with my eyebrows. I think that my eyes are bright enough. So eyebrows, no need to touch. So I just clean them up and that's all. And actually I go to, in San Diego, there is Anna Cara Permanent Makeup Studio, and they honestly perfected my eyebrows. If you see me 5 years ago, and now you will not believe what they did with my eyebrows. So I absolutely love it. Anna Cara, thank you so much. Your team, girls, thank you so much. Hi friends, so this is my style for tonight. That's how I look. And that's how my makeup look. I like it. I think it's not too much, it's not too little. It just make my eyes more cat eyes, more smoky eyes. But overall, it's very easy technique and everyone can use it. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. It will help the algorithm of YouTube to show my video to more followers and more people. Love you all. Can't wait to see you back. Bye.